Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. At nababasa nyo, yes, I have a gaming chair. But not a gaming chair. Hindi to gaming chair guys. It's like an office chair. Pero kailangan ko naman. And finally, after 4 years, nagkaroon din ako ganitong upuan. You know, no offense to this, yung itong gaming chair ko, yung original gaming chair. But, yun nga, kasi minsan kailangan ko din maano din sa likod, sumasakit. But ito, inaayos ko lang. Inaayos lang namin ni tatay. So, kakabili lang. And we're gonna fix it. And really glad. So, ilalagay namin doon sa kabila. So, I can rotate. Sana all rotate. Okay guys, ayos na. Sheesh! May libot. Libot check. Libot check. Libot check. Libot check. Tama na, baka mahulog ko dito. So we're gonna put there. There. So yun guys, nilagay ko na dito. And perfectly clean. Wait lang, check natin. I mean, it's too big. It's too big, right? Ang laki. Ito, so magkabalorant ako. Kung magkabalorant ako, ganito kalaki. Hindi ako... Sheesh, gaming chair. Sheesh. 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 I think, malaki tingnan. Diyan ko. Pero malaki tingnan. I think so when it... Oh! Need to go lower. Lower pa. Lower pa. Okay. So, ganito na. Pero okay na. Ganito. I mean, it's not like a gaming chair, but okay naman sa akin because I wanted like this na yung parang may lumilibot. Just like this. Parang may sandigan ako. Like, in a regular chair, it's so hard. Like, kung maganito ako, man, sumasakit yung likod ko. But like this, it's actually good. Like, ganito lang ako. Man, I will buy some cover here. But it's actually great. So, mahal to, man. Regalo lang sa akin ni mother to. And I'm thankful na niregalo ko. I'm so shocked na nag-gift ako kasi kinuha ko yung itong upuan na to sa likod ng kotse. But I'm so happy that my mom give this and kay Papa din. And wow, so I'm super happy and I'm thankful. Thank you kay Mama. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. I love you so much. And you know, give like this. So sabi nila mas mahal daw yung gaming chair because it's I think 7,000. So ito na lang. I think this. I mean, hindi naman ako nagreklamo, man. At least I have a chair that especially regalo nila mama. It's kind of it's kind of good, diba? At least may chair na ako. At least I could do like this, do like that, lumilibot. Hindi ako kasya nga lang paglipot ko, but I'm fine with this. So yun nga, I think bibili ako ng cover para dito sa ano ko. So ayun na, sanay na, parang ano na ako. Oh my god, sarap sa feeling, man. Sarap sa feeling. Dude, dapat bibili ako ng cover ASAP para hindi siya mag-scratch or something. But happy. But I'm happy with this. And yun nga. Guys, this is my gaming chair. Yun nga. So guys, see you next week.